Once again, welcome to my channel 1 million Stars.
Today I'm going to tell about how to identify real Paytm or fake Paytm. So first of all, you have to download a Paytm spoof app from Chrome. You can search Paytm spoof app in Google. Then you have to scroll down the page and search for a download option. When you see the download option, then you have to click on download. The download will appear. You have to wait for 14 minutes. After 40 minutes, you have installed the app. Then install it. You have to wait for a minute and then open your app. Type the name of the person where you have to pay. Enter the mobile number. Then you have to enter a payment. Then you have to select a time. And then press OK. Now you have to select a date. Then you have to do submit. Then see the difference. The payment short is here, but this is not. This is a fake payment which be done by the person who give the payment. Now I will tell about how the real payment, the real Paytm, how you can identify. You have to see this interfere. You have to go in and type the customer mobile number, or you have to scan a code. Especially if you scan a code, then you have to click on pay. Enter the pay amount, then it successfully see the difference between the fake payment and the real payment. You see the difference. You have to just know that what difference between the fake Paytm and the real Paytm. I will tell you how you save from the fake payments. You have to install Paytm for Business from the Play Store. When you install your Paytm for Business, then map your number from Paytm. Then you have to enter your business bank account on Paytm for Business. Then we have to do nothing. Just go to the settings. Tell you. Go to settings, then on all the features that you see, notifications, voice assistant, you have to on all the settings. This is the best feature in Paytm for Business. Then select any languages you want. I select English. After selected English preference, then save.
Congratulations! Now you will get audio alerts in English for all payments received. Paytm karo.
You just on all the features, turn off all the features. The notification when you receive the payment, when your phone is off, you will see the notification of your payment. And it's done. When you receive the payment, the voice will come and